the Yiddish names that you use, do they come to you from somewhere bigger? Are they based off of people that you know?
You mean like Fanya, Bronya?
Yeah.
No, they just came to me, but it's interesting. There actually was a Bronya who worked for Margaret Sanger, I read later. And when I looked up the meanings of the names of some of the characters, Minna means bitter, the mother's name, and she's a very bitter woman. Esther means star, which I should have guessed, Aster, and also relates to Queen Esther, and she's a very queenly character. And I can't remember what Fanya means, but I did know at one point. I had it in my notes. No, it just came to me. It came to me. Trying to think of if there were other names. The littlest sister, the one who dies. Fega, right? Yeah. Bird. Yeah, no, they just kind of came. But notice, none of them are religious-based names. They're not Hebrew names, which I know would be more realistic. I mean, certainly you'd find those names, but there would have been characters, like Isaac Bashevis Singer would have written characters whose names were related to biblical characters, right? Because he knew his Torah, and I don't. So that's what's missing, right? In some ways, I'm just faking it. I'm faking it all, just like I faked the Lower East Side in that book. I mean, I was waiting for a critic to complain that I never show the characters going to Coney Island, for example, or that I never show the Third Avenue L. I didn't. It didn't come up, you know. I had reasons for not doing Coney Island. I love Coney Island. I would totally put it in a comic if it was necessary. But, you know, I wanted to show that the characters are so serious and so involved with their lives and so in a hole that they didn't have time for frivolities. Yeah. But I did worry about that.